The period of history of evolution of computing has now gotten to a point where we are very heavily reliant on computers for everyday life in most every way that means that we achieve our daily purposes. Though what we do find is in the year 2020 there will be a glitch in computers. That's the first of the Y20 bugs come along. The 6-bit 2 to the 6 is of the 20. And we find the next glitch is 2035. It's already 2729. We are out by 13 to 15 years in our calendar. This repeat cycles and archive redumps from 2000 to 2010. Those repeats 5 times over we count it or more, with 9 references further of this. So it's 27 years further than 2000. The best we can calculate it. They count so with planetary rotation, these periods may be longer or shorter. So talking about the computer time period, the computer evolution and revelation, and its periods of infrastructure and similar expansion, referencing, and further gateway. Yes. But the problem is that we recently, in the last 10 years, had a relaxation of technologies. Electronics has gone to the point of being micro voltages and made of very light materials, because not able to get the property of electronics working in any substantial way to previous forms of through-hole technology. And prior to that, the paper capacitors, the max capacitors, none of that is available any longer. They've all gone to dissimilar differences. The physics and the technology and the theory driving those forms of electronics is no longer a relevant theory. It's all gone the way of miscalibration, and knowledge is no longer had as to how that functioned or worked or was made. So we have this service mount quad T-quad pack, quad flat quad QPF pack, and things like the QPA packs, things that are all high dense grid arrays with legs on them, and quite monstrous, non-removable, non-serviceable IC parts, big and small. And everything is of the sub-miniature electronic circuit ICs these days, with very small grain-like resistors and capacitors, batteries and conductors, and there are these discharge devices now coming into electronics as well, the MOSFETs and other such breakdown devices like the GASFETs and MOSFETs and similar gallium arsenide devices.